Hello. In this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser to your Android 13 system. So first of all, you want to launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can launch the Opera as well as set this application up. So in here you want to tap on this blue continue button. Next, decide whether some of the options will be enabled from the start, or you can always go for the skip option and leave the configuration process for later. I'll personally enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is this page that allows you to either customize the permissions and access that you're going to grant to Opera, or you can simply allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.